All right, hey everybody. Very different video today. It's gonna be very quick. As I was taking a break from YouTube and social media for Farm Traveler for December and parts of January, I was trying to figure out how to grow Farm Traveler, what to do next. The podcast has been phenomenal. I've interviewed so many wonderful people from around the world, met a lot of great people, tried a lot of really good products, whether it's coffee, chocolate, beef, pork, chicken, everything. But the whole goal of Farm Traveler is to connect farmers and consumers. And I feel like I haven't done a very good job of that, trying to do that with the podcast and everything. And I haven't been showing you. I've been telling you, but not showing you. So the whole goal of Farm Traveler is going to change. I read a section in The Obstacle is the Way by Ryan Holiday. And let me read it real quick if I can find it. It's really good. I recommend this book to so many people. I've read Ego is the Enemy, a couple other books of his. All right. Remember and remind yourself of a phrase favored by Epictetus. Persist and resist. Persist in your efforts. Resist giving in to distraction, discouragement, or disorder. There's no need to sweat this or feel rushed. No need to get upset or despair. You're not going anywhere. You're not going to be counted out. You're in this for the long haul. So I thought that was really good. And there was a whole other section here on like adapting and all that stuff. I love this. I'm in this for the long haul, trying to figure out how to connect farmers and consumers. And after reading this, it really dawned on me, the best way to do this is to literally show you, the consumer, how to do this, how to connect with a farmer and rancher. So what we're gonna do, going forward, I'm taking a break for the podcast, and instead we're gonna be making cooking content. It's gonna be here on YouTube, on Instagram, Facebook, all that stuff. So each episode, I'm gonna show you how to buy from a farmer online or at a farmer's market or even at a grocery store, and how to look and find something that's locally grown, locally raised to you. So I'm gonna show you how to support local family farms and how to cook it. Everybody loves cooking videos. Allie and I love Binging with Babish, Max the Meat Guy, so many other wonderful chefs online. And I think this is gonna be really cool. It's gonna show you how to connect and how to cook it. And in each video, I'm gonna give you a link on how to find those farmers and ranchers, how to buy from them online, how to order from them, all that good stuff. I'm so excited. Our videos will be coming out very soon. I'm trying to figure out and plan everything. I've got so many ideas rolling around in my head right now. So yeah, be patient with us. I feel like every YouTuber does this where they're like, hey, I'm changing things up a little bit. So this is our moment. So thank you for supporting the channel for the past several years. Thank you for listening to the podcast. I really appreciate it. I can't wait to see how this, I don't know, builds our community, how this builds the relationship between farmers and consumers and all that good stuff. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in a few weeks. And remember, no matter what, bridging the gap between farmers and consumers, we're just getting started. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.